So hey guys, welcome to today's video. So in today guys, I'm going to show you the store that I took to almost $1.5 million in 3 months, more or less. And guys, this store was like took a lot of things out of me, but like $1.5 million in 3 months, like 95 days. Count me in. So, guys, yeah, with this store, I had some kind of mentor, not like mentor, a friend that already did like a couple of $1 million with e-commerce stores, that he helped me. Obviously, there was a lot of problems with the money like coming in, the cash flow, money holding everywhere. I still have like around 200K like locked on PayPal. I'm getting that fixed like with contacts and stuff, because PayPal can just take your shit and say like, yeah, we taking this as a damaging fee or something like that. Oh, that's a nightmare, man. I cannot lose 200K and that's all profit. So with this store, we used the season pixel. There wasn't any new pixel, and before this, I had did another product with this pixel. So this product had worth like $100,000 spent on it but with like data on everything, lookalikes and stuff. So this was a season pixel, and the product was a good product. It was a very like problem solving product, and it is yeah, I cannot tell too much about it, but it's a big solving product and it's a high ticket as well. Yes, so it's very much high ticket and it's mostly usable as well. So that's that. So if customers are happy, they can come back and buy again. And yeah, guys, so that's basically been it. And like before I hop on the store and show you everything, I want to say like with iOS 14, like Facebook got effed up. Like I cannot I'd say like how much I'm disappointed at Facebook. With this store, I'm mostly been advertising on TikTok ads, and I'm going to make a video about that as well, how to do TikTok ads. And basically, guys, uh, Facebook just getting out of control. Like I got 4 BMs blocked, with bullshit reasons. But at the moment, I know how it works, and like I just got a hang of it. My setup is like I get many guys asking about like how to not get banned on Instagram and stuff. Guys, what I do is I have 4 different business managers that are all verified. One of them is Facebook pages made, the other one is ad account from, and the third one is the pixel and stuff, pixel and the domain are from. And the fourth one, I share all of this to the fourth one, and I advertise from the fourth BM. And all of them are ID verified profiles and stuff. And you can only get this like if you have good connections and stuff, because there are a lot of people that are selling this stuff verified. I'm sorry, verified BMs that are like actually true, and they're just bullshit and get blocked in like 2 hours or something like that. So there's that. But beside that, Facebook does not track anything. Like, God, like we say, if a day I do $80,000 a day, okay, and of this $80,000, Facebook just tracks $60,000, and 20K is missing. If we say I get like 100 purchases a day or 200 purchases a day, of these 200, I only see 160. So where's the damn rest? So after like just researching and stuff, my friends told me like there is a Pixelfish guy, a web developer. So I hired him. Sorry, I just my coffee. I hired him, and he did some coding and stuff on both my store and my BM. So after that, the tracking got well, but I can understand that the guys that don't have the budget is going to be annoying. And with the testing the product, like in the testing phase, you need that 2 or 3 purchases to see which one is working, which one is not working, to scale. Otherwise, if you don't know and you are profitable in Shopify but Facebook doesn't show it, you don't know which ad set or campaigns to turn off or duplicate, because you can't see where the fuck this is coming from, right? And guys, that's been the most problem with Facebook, beside all the blocks and stuff. So yeah, guys, TikTok ads it is. And yeah, so without further ado, let me just hop on the store and show you everything, guys. uh, Hi guys, so this is the store. As you can see, almost $1.5 million in 19 days. The average order value is around $500. As I said, it is a high ticket product that I'm selling in here, and it's like very problem solving and stuff. As you can see, my conversion rate around 7%, and yeah, this is how it looks. It could be better, but guys, I can show you that I'm not bullshitting. So I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, we're waiting. Come on. Yes, as you can see in here, this is the store, and this is still lagging. Yeah, you can see, I can show you what day I can show you. I can show you this day, maybe. You can see $44,000. Next Friday we did, how much did we teach Friday? $42,000. $67,000. You can see. $81,000. Yeah, guys. So basically, this is this is the story. $1.5 million, and I'm not joking. So, guys, what I did was the actual strategy was for the Facebook ad strategy. What I did was I started since this pixel was seasoned. So I started with lookalikes. I did all the lookalikes except 95% video views, 75 or 50 or 30-second video views. All of them, I didn't have the video, obviously. So I did all of the other lookalikes in CBO, and I just give it the budget, I don't know, around 140 euros or something, to just test and see how it goes. And from there I started the ABO campaign as well, and I just started testing 20 interests per day, and I had my KPI sheet as well, so I knew my numbers. But in this ad account, I don't know, maybe some of you guys ad accounts you guys have as well, almost all of the ad accounts, you cannot see how many initiate checkouts you have, how many add to carts you have. You can only see how many purchases you have, and you cannot see your cost per content view, cost per initiate checkout, cost per add to cart. So this was a little bit a step down, and Facebook is getting kind of messy, guys. It's not same as it was, but you can kind of get the same results. But yeah, based on my KPI sheet, I was turning off ad sets. If the product spent my cost per purchase and didn't get a purchase, I was turning it off. But that's the most expensive way to know, and the most safest way, because before this iOS 14 I could see my cost per add to cart, cost per initiate checkout. So what I did was, if the ABO test spent my cost per unique initiate checkout and didn't get a checkout, I was going to turn it off. But after a while that you can season pixel, if the ABO spends 20-30 euros or dollars or something like that and you don't get a purchase, you should just turn it off immediately, because pixel is seasoned, and it knows everything. So if it's worth it, you can continue and scale it. If it's not, turn it off. But as I said, with this store, my profitability is around 30%, something like that. Yeah, 32%, and it could be 40, guys. But as you know, the higher you scale, the lower the profits. And with the Facebook, I could not scale it more, and I'm sorry, I couldn't scale it more, and I couldn't see the data to scale better and have more profit, since Facebook is kind of messy with the data and everything. But yeah, guys, I tested value-based lookalikes with value optimization. I tested 1% lookalike, 2%, 3% to 10%. I tested all the lookalikes, and I scaled the lookalikes together, the winning lookalikes from the ABO testing, the ad set that worked, gave me a lot of purchase, a lot of conversion rate, high CTR, high click-through rate. I duplicate them in new CBO with 3 ads, same interest, with my winning creatives. And how I was be able to scale this store so fast, I was, guys, recycling new creatives every damn week, almost every 6 days, because I was spending so much money, and creatives were getting ad fatigue. and creative just wasn't working. So I had a contract with this media company, so they were like, they had my products and everything, so they were like just sending me new creatives like almost every week for not TikTok but almost for Facebook, yeah, Facebook ads. But for TikTok, with this product, I couldn't find any ads online, so I had to make it. So I told this media company to just made some TikTok ads for me, and they give it to me like, yeah, I get a new TikTok ad almost like every 2 weeks or something like that. But beside that, with this particular store, I'm selling it all in Europe, uh, and Europe and USA, as you know. So yeah, guys. So it's basically I was selling it like all around the world, but mostly in US market, Europe, and yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I have to think what should I say more. But yeah, guys, with this, it was just I was just recycling videos every day, every week, and that's why how I've been able to scale it so fast. And as you can see, like from here, we got like small it down, but this is because I had a problem with Facebook that I'm getting at in order, and this store should be back up. But my plan is to have an exit with the store and to sell it to an investor that I'm currently talking to. And like, yeah, I can refresh this page one more time in order to avoid any yeah BS. Last 90 days, as you can see. Come on now. Yes, it's coming up. Ba, 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 ba. Yes, guys, you can see in here, this is not bullshit. So yeah, guys, this is like basically it. This is the store. That was my Facebook strategy. That wasn't like all of it, but like most the important ones. um, yeah, guys, so this is the store. I hope you got a little bit of value out of it. If you have any questions, please let me know on my Instagram. And another video about product research. I know, guys, that have been like late, but I'm just trying to make it like as informal as possible, and I just want to make sure that you guys get the most value out of it. So I will try my best, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe and click down the like button if you liked it. Otherwise, just comment down if you run in. So yeah, guys, take care. Bye.